Make sure you've tied the little elastic at the front of the shoe in a double knot, cut it to about 2 inches, and then make sure that you have tucked the whole thing into the shoe. The inside ribbon must always be the longer ribbon. Always use the inside ribbon first, the longest one, bringing it in front of your ankle, behind, around in front again, bring it back around and leave it on the inside. Next, grab the outside ribbon, bring it around in front, behind, and now you want to try and get that ribbon right on top of the other one that you've just done. Put it on top and meet it at the other side. This is where you're going to tie it in a double knot. Once you've completed the double knot, you need to try and tuck this knot behind the 2 ribbons that are around the ankle by pushing it behind and down. Once you've tucked away the knot, use a bobby pin or your finger to slide the remaining ends of the ribbons behind. And there you have it, perfectly tied ballet ribbons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time.